Karen Lucy, and I'm an agent in the Williams Boulevard office for Gardner Realtors. And I'm attending the Mark Leader Listing Boot Camp seminar, and I'm really enjoying it. I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. I reluctantly attended the Mark Leader Listing Boot Camp. I wasn't sure it was for me, but I was so happy that I attended. Mark Leader and Gardner presented a program that was motivating, fresh and new, and very easy to adapt to our individual listing presentations.
Hi, I'm Miriam Chong at the Biloxi office in Mississippi. Just so excited. We're here in a training with Mark Leader. We did the listing boot camp, and we're just so blessed to know all the different things that we did. There were so many nuggets, so many amazing, just amazing information on listings. So if you missed it, make sure you catch it next time, because all the stuff that you can do here, you're going to be walking like $1 million, making lots of money, making a lot of clients, making so many of your clients happy, and it's all about the listings. And bottom line, it's all about the people, the customers, the clients. When you have that in your heart, Mark Leader did an amazing job with the listings boot camp. He also does the Leader's Choice, and we just hope that you can take advantage of that. Again, Mark Leaders with the Listings Bootcamp.
Hi, I'm Steve Haas, and I joined Gardner about 6 weeks ago. This week I completed the Mark Leader Bootcamp. Let me tell you, it's fantastic. I highly recommend it to new and experienced agents alike. He not only tells you about the sales process, he will get into the exact dialogue you need with clients, and most importantly, he will let you know the underlying psychology of the process that's going on while you're selling real estate. Thank you. Have a good day.